Hi everyone, Brad from Ian Dickie again. Thank you for joining us. Today we're looking at our Maxi Jet. 21 litres a minute at 180 bar. It's our most popular smaller drain cleaner, and for very good reason. It really packs a punch. There are various accessories that come with this machine. We've got the gun and the lance, of course, that connect to the machine off the auxiliary port or off the end of the hose. We have your smaller hose options for those line sizes that are a little bit smaller. There is an optional portable reel which gets you up closer to the jobs, and with the ball valve allows you a format of one-man operation. And then we have our Venturi jet pump for overpumping when your manholes are full or when you need to move sludge or effluent from one point to another. There are various nozzle options with this machine. Aside from the standard retro jet that comes with the machine, we have what we call our bent rotor drill, which is fantastic for cutting fine roots, cutting scale, and getting some of those tough blockages done. The other optional nozzle is your rotating nozzle, which is amazing for fats, grease, and scale on your pipe. So this machine is driven by a Honda GX630 electric start petrol engine, driving our interpump triplex plunger pump. This machine is suitable for line size cleaning of 75 to 160 millimeters, and of course those bigger lines you're going to punch through your blockages just fine, and the smaller lines, with the aid of the smaller hose, you'll be able to do those too. We're going to be using the ENS Retrojet nozzle, which is the standard go-to nozzle for most applications.